Alright, guys, we are gonna pack for camp, New Life Ranch. And I just wanted to say, Nana, thank you so much for letting me borrow this, because I was trying to find a bag or something to pack my clothes in, and this should be perfect. Alright, we will see you when we pack our stuff. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm about to go to camp. It is 1 a.m. About to wake up at 5:45, take a shower, get ready for New Life Ranch Camp. Oh yeah. Oh. Guys, I will wake up at 5:45 and we'll see you then. Alright, guys, it is 6:55. I slept past my alarm, but oh, I'm tired. Let's take a shower. Alright, guys, I just got out of the shower. I feel fresh and so clean. No, but oh yeah, y'all, I am ready for camp. I'll meet you in Andrew's car. Oh yeah, guys, before I forget, I dropped. But me and Andrew's gonna do the handcuff challenge. Andrew don't know. Oh, this handcuff challenge. It's gonna be fun. Just walked outside. Man, I don't know about y'all, but guys, I think the rain of the smell smells so good. Why? I don't know. I just think it smells good. Dang. Oh my gosh. Shoot. A piece of plastic. Dang, bro. But yeah, it smells pretty dang good. But oh shoot. Wow. Oh my goodness. Dang, for real? Oh my gosh. Bro, look at this huge, ginormous branch in there. Dang. Oh my gosh. Yeah, here, let's get a closer look, man. Dang. Yeah, that's a. Oh shoot. For real? Dang. Oh my goodness, bro. Dang. I'm glad they are alright and okay. Oh man. I mean, that's a big branch. Andrew.
Huh?
Could I see your arm for a sec?
Yeah.
Huh?
Put it behind your head. Put your arm behind your head. Nose.
Andrew.
Your arm. Oh, Mama. Behind your head.
Yeah, Andrew. No. But back here, Andrew.
Whoa. Whoop.
What?
Oh my God.
What, Andrew? Andrew, what?
Oh my God. What? What?
Alright, Andrew. Dude, surprise, we're doing the handcuff challenge.
Oh my God.
Hey, what's up, Andrew?
Oh yeah.
Surprise.
Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God. Ow.
Handcuff for the day.
Yeah.
Want to say hi, Andrew?
Huh?
Want to say hi?
Hopefully you got the key, huh?
Hi.
Oh, I do, trust me.
God.
Hey, Andrew. Oh, man.
What?
Nah.
Oh my God.
Surprise.
Oh my God.
What?
You did. You did on me.
What? I don't say nothing.
You did on me.
What?
Hey.
Andrew,
What?
don't let the cops see you.
What?
I think you're an,
Teach me.
they'll think you're an escaped criminal.
Look at that.
Yeah. The criminal says go to camp as a disguise.
Look at that.
Disguised as a stinky bug.
And Bob.
Are you gonna rob yourself, then throw all your stuff on the ground and run?
No.
Oh.
Drive it.
Well, Andrew, don't. That hurts, Andrew. Don't.
Yeah.
Look at. There it go.
Andrew, you broke the handcuffs. On. Can you get it off, Andrew?
Owie. Ugh. Owie.
Go ahead, Andrew.
Owie.
Oh.
Owie.
Andrew,
Huh?
the handcuff said, haha, you gotta keep the handcuffs since you broke it.
Ugh.
Can't get out of the handcuffs without the key.
Ah. Go.
What?
Look at this.
What, Andrew?
Look at that.
Andrew, we're still doing the handcuff challenge.
Nope.
Yeah. Andrew, we're still doing the handcuff challenge though.
How?
Okay, boom.
Help.
I am. I'm helping.
Help.
Andrew, it hasn't been 10 minutes yet. He wrote the handcuff.
What? Sorry, buddy.
Well, we're still doing the Handcuff challenge, Andrew.
Owie. Owie.
Andrew, we're still doing the handcuff challenge.
Owie.
What, her, Andrew?
Nigga ball. Owie, buddy.
It's fine, but how are you gonna get the handcuff off?
Nigga D. Nigga D.
You trying to get it off, Andrew?
Ow.
So I'm pretty tight.
Ow.
Just quit messing with me. You can't get it off without the case.
Nigga right here.
Andrew,
What?
when we get to camp, we can take the handcuffs off.
Ah, come on.
What?
Nigga get off.
Or we could do the whole day. It's up to you.
All day.
Oh, Andrew just said all day. So okay, Andrew.
Ah, come on.
Handcuffs. Andrew, we're handcuff buddies. Andrew, deaf. Handcuff deaf.
Owie. The gate.
Yeah,
Anybody?
Andrew,
What?
the handcuffs are too small for my hand, but it's a challenge.
Me too. Come on, me too. What?
What? Andrew.
Ah, my come on.
What, Andrew?
Owie. Owie.
Can't get it off?
No.
No? I wonder why, Andrew.
What?
Oh, man.
Ah, D. What, Nanny?
Andrew,
What?
I said, want to do the handcuff challenge until we get to camp or all day, and you said all day.
No.
Yeah, it's true.
No.
Did Danny say all day?
No. Hey. People.
Andrew,
What?
me too, Andrew. It hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't they ask me?
Filter free. Call 800-500-8320. This is kind of close.
What, Andrew? The handcuff is too small.
But hey. No.
What?
Tired.
What's up, handcuff buddy?
Tired. Thank you, girl.
Oh yeah. I got handcuff on my wrist.
Yeah.
It's like a driver.
Daddy.
I got the keys right here.
Daddy, I made.
Andrew, look at the keys.
Oh,
What, Andrew?
Daddy, make.
No.
What?
Andrew,
Huh?
you said you wanted to do the handcuff challenge all day.
Daddy, make. Hey,
Oh no, I lost some. No, I'm playing,
Daddy,
Andrew.
make.
What, Andrew?
Daddy, make. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Key?
Yeah. Ah, hey. 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 Ah.
What, Andrew?
Hey. Yes, I got it.
Haha.
Ah. Come on.
Anyway, hold on. Jingle bell, jingle bell. What, Andrew? Oh, what fun. It's too bad. Jingle bell. One herself saved. What? Jingle bell. Jingle bell. Why, Andrew? What? Andrew, look back.
Oh my god.
We got him back on.
Look at that. Ah, come on.
What?
Ah, come on.
What, Andrew? Hello? Ah. What, Andrew?
Sorry. Ah, come on. This is eight.
It's gonna make it interesting on a Monday morning.
It's gonna be real interesting for me because it's working by then.
Yeah.
But man, whenever that storm was kind of coming through last night, I was kind of getting ready for bed, but there was a strike of thunder that rattled the whole house. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard several.
It was weird.
Andrew,
You didn't see like
Huh?
the lightning or didn't really hear a
how's the
strike.
handcuff
It was
challenge
like a
doing?
big rumble, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know, but
Let's see.
Apple.
yeah.
There was one part where it almost seemed like
Huh?
somebody was
Apple.
driving a truck in
Painful?
front of the house, you know, or
Yeah.
something like that. You know?
Right. Yeah.
Andrew,
What?
No, exactly.
But yeah, there was a
want to
couple
take
of
off the handcuff?
big tree limbs
Yeah.
down in the neighborhood.
Oh yeah.
Nigga.
Yeah.
Nigga.
So
help
it
me.
must have
Help you?
knocked
Yeah.
over all the tomato plants that had been on the tree and
Nigga D.
knocked Caleb's basketball goal over.
Oh wow.
So
No,
Yeah. That was crazy.
No, I brought it down this morning.
Man. Well, no, I was just curious.
Andrew, hold on.
Like some of the lights downtown
Andrew,
were working, but none of them were.
Could you turn your hand over, like the other side?
All the lights were working between
Andrew.
St. Francis and the highway.
Yeah.
And then, like I said, I've been on the highway ever since. So
Andrew,
I haven't done, but the traffic
I can't put this on.
heavy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, Andrew.
Because of these lights out.
But yeah,
But yeah. I was just curious, but well, you guys drive safe and you have a great time, Andrew. All right.
yeah.
Okay, he said he missed you already.
Oh, okay. Yeah, whatever.
Oh,
Okay, all
Pat,
right.
tell Damon we did the
All right,
handcuff challenge.
Andrew, well, hey, I'll miss you too, and see you guys later. All right.
Okay, yeah, they bought Caleb and Andrew have already done the handcuff challenge. They were handcuffed together in the car already.
Oh. Well, I guess that's an easy way to accomplish that challenge. Just sitting next to you, you may as well be handcuffed.
Yeah.
Andrew, the
Well, have a
challenge
good
is
day.
to get the handcuff
All
off you.
right.
Okay.
See you later.
Bye.
Andrew, that's the real challenge. Try to get the handcuff off you.
We were kind of, everybody was just playing golf.
Look
We
at
weren't,
that.
we weren't on a side. We weren't on a PGA Tour side or a Tour side. We were just on the side of watching great golf being played.
And Bryson brings a lot of exciting golf to it.
It's the wrong
Yes,
key.
It's great.
Ah.
It's also
No,
different
it's
than
not the wrong
everybody
key.
else. And the fact that it's different
It's just
is
hard to
cool, and it's fun. And
do
it's
it.
engaging with fans, and they
Yeah,
seem to
they
really
take on
embrace it.
till,
And he embraced
it was
those
a week.
moments. And it made it.
Man, I'm so glad I took it off because
not just golf tournament.
that
but
was
just
hurting my
a great
wrist.
sporting event. And Bryson had a lot to do with that.
Ah, damn.
Because while he has numbers at the bottom of his clubs that all of us do, really the key for Bryson is ball.
That's Andrew. That's the real challenge. Trying to get the handcuffs off of you.
When DP talks about hitting an 8-iron from 200
Got this,
yards,
Andrew.
just think about that for a second. And by the way, he stopped.
Yay!
I mean, that was right. I mean, that was all over the flag. He got
Yay!
He started chasing it.
I got it!
Guys, next time me and Andrew is at Sky Zone, we're gonna give these away that we same ones that we wore in the video. So next time we go to Sky Zone, we're giving these away.
Yeah. Away.
You got the key, Andrew?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah.
One of the things
Could you give it to me?
that has been
Yeah.
hard to swallow is the loss of the talent on
There you go.
a weekly basis on our television. So the guy
All right, peace,
like
Andrew.
Bryson
Ah, peace.
does, to your point, Craig,